It's really about the dogs today. It's really a dog video. Otis and Casper, the best of friends and pals. What kind of escapades will they find themselves entrenched in today? It's not about dogs. This video is actually about something even more exciting. Sorry guys. From Origin, 2 boxes. You guys might recall, made a video a while back on this crazy PC gaming setup that also had in it an Xbox, a PlayStation, a Nintendo Switch. Am I covering everything, Will? It was called the Big O, and it was kind of like that childhood dream come true type scenario. One box to rule them all. Unfortunately, that model wasn't available to the general public. Well, it kind of makes sense because it was just, I mean, that thing would cost a few dollars. But the feedback was so good that Origin said, hey, let's make some mini versions of that for the different gaming connoisseurs that exist. So in front of us here, we have a version, a gaming PC with an Xbox, and a version that's a gaming PC with a PlayStation. You can't actually buy these, and you just have to choose between gaming PC and Xbox or gaming PC and PlayStation. Willie Doo has helped us out substantially here. He's got the specs for each model on the TV here. It actually looks like the PlayStation model is spec'd out a little bit better. It's got the hotter chip, 8-core i9-9900K, the RTX 2080 Ti, and it's got twice as much RAM as well. You could customize the whole thing. So if you need to have an Xbox model with this particular spec, that's doable. It's just like building a custom gaming PC. Pick and choose your components as you like, and then plug in the console piece. The cool part is that the console is also water-cooled, just like the gaming PC. Each one also has a capture card built in, Elgato 4K 60 Pro. The hardware, they built it straight in, so that's kind of nice as well. So this is the PlayStation version. Makes sense to get this one in black, and then the Xbox version is inside the white chassis, so you can select the color that you want. As I mentioned, everything here is water cooled. This is way smaller. It's just a little bit more approachable than the whole Big O from the original video. And I think that's kind of the idea with this version that's actually gonna be commercially available, is you don't need a tremendous amount of space for this thing. In fact, it's kind of impressive that inside of here you have a fully functioning high-powered gaming PC and a console living on the other side. You have a power supply for the gaming PC, and then you have your inputs as well as your power connection for the console on the top. And then your GPU over here handles all your video out for the gaming PC. So you can actually game on the console and the gaming PC at the same time. An Xbox controller to go with the Xbox, same color, look at that, the whole flow. Plenty of extra connections as well if you want to expand the system on the PC side, that makes a lot of sense. Wi-Fi antenna. And then on the other side, on the PlayStation side, PlayStation controller would be the main difference over here. Now the other thing I should note just before we boot these up is that these are not completely final units, so some things could change the one that you end up ordering. These are some of the earliest that are out there, so just keep that in mind. Oh baby, little robot over there. I think my soundtrack is actually better than. All right, that's a game. It's the hot new Jedi game on Xbox. It's got some Assassin's Creed vibes with the jumping and the holding and the swinging. This is to illustrate sort of how the whole thing goes down. So there's different circumstances in which you might want to have both PC and Xbox, or PC and PlayStation, like that one over there. The way this works is like, you see I'm playing this game, maybe I hit the pause button, and then I gotta go back to my PC. So this is a single monitor scenario of how this would work. I would just click over here, go to the input, and then flip over, and now I'm on my very own gaming PC. As you'd expect, I could be either doing productivity tasks or gaming as you would, but it's important to remember these two things are working independently. So if you had a dual monitor setup, you could have your gaming PC loaded up and then still have your Xbox on a secondary display. I just so happen to have them going to separate inputs on the same display. Will, how long am I running around before I get a lightsaber or something? This is very Assassin's Creed / Uncharted. Are the same developers involved here, with the jumping and the climbing and whatnot.
Yeah, you're almost there.
They kind of got me though, because I was a big Uncharted guy. Yeah, it was a big thing for me. It's probably the last game I spent a lot of time on. Oh, look at this. Oh man. Oh, what a slide. Yeah, so no weapons yet. I haven't got a lightsaber or anything like that. It's been a lot of jumping and climbing and stuff like that. I'm not complaining though, I kind of like that. Ooh, look at that. Oh, 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 yes! In case you don't know, this is the hottest game right now. You probably already know, to be honest. You probably heard about it. It's tennis to the face, in the face. Get the right angle there. Nah. How about this? Bounce it up and over. Yeah, there you go. Pass the level, only 1 crown. We're playing on the PlayStation now. You didn't even know we changed from the Xbox to PlayStation because we have the 2 versions of the actual Big O as it is, as you can buy it in 2020. You're used to Origin making gaming PCs, so somehow with this proposition, the exciting part is the console part. Now, I gave it some more thinking, and as much as I'm enjoying this tennis game, I think the PlayStation one is the better deal because on the Microsoft side, for the most part, if there's a title available for Xbox, it's probably gonna have a PC version because of the Microsoft component. Whereas over here, I know for a fact there's some PlayStation exclusives that aren't even available on PC. That said, if you're using it as a dual setup, living room / desktop setup, then maybe it doesn't matter to you as much and you just want to have something from the couch and something from the desk. But then again, maybe all you want to do is take a quick break from all your hardcore gaming and boot up a friendly title like this one.